The host file is a fabulous file which acts as a local DNS server on your computer. It can be used for a variety of different pranks that we learned today. First of all, in order to access the host file, click on Start Run and type in the path name depending on your operating system. Since I'm running Windows XP, I open up the host file, select Notepad, and this is what the host file looks like. Now the first few lines in the host file basically contain instructions on what the host file is all about and the format in which you can make entries. For example, after this particular entry which has been highlighted, each time somebody types rhino.acme.com, automatically 102.54.94.97 should be appear on the screen. Similarly, the second example as well. Now, if you wanted to actually tweak the host file to block certain websites, for example, what if you wanted to block hotmail.com? Then all you need to do is start the host file and make a fresh entry 127.0.0.1, which is basically the loopback or the local system IP address, space followed by hotmail.com. Now, before I save this file, let me actually try accessing hotmail.com on this particular system. So I started my browser, type hotmail.com, press enter, and as you can clearly see on the screen, hotmail.com has now been displayed. Now what if I wanted to prevent it from being displayed? So I click on File, Save, and now close the browser and start the new window of the browser. And this time if I try to connect to hotmail.com, as you can clearly see on the screen, hotmail.com does not get displayed. Instead, the Google search page gets displayed. If I click on that link, nothing gets displayed. The page cannot be displayed. So hotmail.com has now been blocked. Each time somebody connects to hotmail.com, they are automatically redirected to the local address, that is 127.0.0.1. So I get rid of that entry. We move on to the second thing that you can do, which is blocking annoying advertisements. Now most annoying advertisements come from specific websites like doubleclick.net and the other websites that sort of stream advertising advertisements. So all you need to do is make a new entry in host file which basically blocks doubleclick.net. Pranks. What if you wanted to sort of display playboy.com each time somebody types hotmail.com on your computer? All you need to do is, first of all, you need to find out the IP address of playboy.com. So I open up MS-DOS, type ping playboy.com, and the first line gives me the IP address of playboy.com. So let me quickly write it down, 216.163.137.3. So let me copy that IP address, which is playboy.com's IP address, put that as a new entry in the host file, followed by space, followed by hotmail.com, save that, start my browser, close that. Well, actually you need to restart the browser. And now if I try to connect to hotmail.com, you will soon see that automatically the user gets redirected to playboy.com. As you can clearly see, playboy.com is now being displayed on the screen. I'm not going to wait for it to be displayed, but you guys get the whole idea. You can put the victim in a variety of different trouble using this particular trick. And this is a trick which is also commonly used by smart viruses, which basically modify the host file and play a variety of different tricks on the user. So as you can clearly see, the host file is a fabulous file.